Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing this smoky eye look. I didn't get to film the intro with the makeup on, or if I did, I've lost the video for it. So here are some pictures and let's get started. So starting off with a BB cream, which I'm going to smooth on with my fingertips. Just as a light base, I didn't want heavy coverage, that's why I went for the BB cream. So smoothing that on, making sure that I don't miss any spots. Just with my fingertips, and the warmth of your fingertips and your hands will help that blend into your skin. Don't forget to blend it down your jawline to your neck as well. So going in with concealer just under the eyes and on the high points of the face that I want to highlight or give myself a little bit of extra coverage. And then I am going to find my blending brush. Those are synthetic fibers rather than natural fibers because they don't hold on to the product as much, so they don't remove the product from where you set it down. It just allows you to sort of blend it and keep it in place, and just blending out all the areas that I put concealer. And for this look I'm not going to use any false lashes or anything either, because it was just a quick one and I wanted to feel a little bit glam but didn't want the hassle of faffing about with false lashes. So going in with the Hula bronzer and an angled brush, and I'm just contouring my cheekbones, and I'll go around the perimeter of my face as well, around the edges of my forehead, under my bottom lip, just to make it look a little bit fuller, and around my nose a little bit. Apologies, I'm poking here rather than being able to find what I'm looking for. Aha, highlighter. Highlighter and another clean angled brush, and going around above where I put the contour and just above my eyebrows, on the cupid's bow of my lips, just under my eyes and on my nose as well. It's not a very shiny highlighter, so that's why I can get away with using it under my eyes instead of powder. So using this Barry M palette, I'm using the lightest colour just to set my eyelids, then going in with the cool colour transition shade just to start blending that into the crease. These darker colours are easy to blend out if you have a more neutral blending shade there as well. So going in with a smaller pencil brush and taking those same colours under the eyes. It's a good way to not flick it into your eyes, and I'm just taking the lightest colour again to set under my eyes a little bit more. So going in with that sort of rust colour and a big fluffy brush and blending that in below where I put in the transition shade, and just winging it out at the sides to give my eyes a more uplifted look. Going in again with the pencil brush, that same colour underneath the eye. So whatever we do on top, we go back and use the same colours below. So going in with a really fluffy brush just to blend out the colours under my eyes. Going in with the darkest colour and a packing brush, which is a bit more dense and flat, so you can place the colour a bit more precisely and get the colour payoff. So I'm going pretty much all over my lid apart from the inside corner with this, and just packing it on, and using the blending side of the brush. It's a double-ended brush, using the blending side to blend that into the colours that we've set down before as well. Then just using the highlighter brush just to flick off the fallout underneath my eyes, and again going back in with that pencil brush for precision and to enhance that wing shape a bit more, and then blending out with the fluffy brush. So you set down with a denser brush and then you blend out with fluffy brushes. So going in with that rusty shade as well, again just to help blend out the really dark harsh colour. You'll find that like blacks and cool tone colours don't always like blending, just the way the warm shades do. So I can back in with my highlight shade and just the tip of my finger because it gives a better payoff for the highlighter. Doing the inside creases of my eyes and doing under my eyebrows, and then I just quickly dived off camera and drew my brows in. So using the Maybelline Lash, is it L'Oreal Maybelline? I'll list everything down below anyway. Mascara there, just to put on a really good coat on my eyelashes, because as I say, I'm not gonna mess about with false lashes today. And this is a really nice formula. It's a bigger wand than I'm used to using. I normally use a smaller wand, but it's not that difficult to use. And once I'm happy with the mascara, I'm just going to enhance the bronzer a bit more. I think I've got fake tan on there, so I'm just trying to match my body a bit more. And then we're going in with lip liner. This is a lip liner from Collection. I think it's the shade Cappuccino. Just lining the edges of my lips. And I don't overline, but I do balance out the shape of my lips a bit because they're not symmetrical. Most people's lips aren't. Most people's faces aren't. I'm going in with a nice nude lipstick. Sort of gives you a bit of a gradient with a slightly darker lip liner and the nude coloured lipstick. I'm using my MAC Prep and Prime spray to set that. Fluffing up the hair a bit, and we're done. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, turn on the notifications. Really appreciate it. Thanks for watching this quick video, and see you next time.